Hello everyone. So today I will talk about the GTO outdoor tasks. You see, there are 9 tasks in the GTO series. One is the type 1 is your indoor tasks and type 2 are outdoor tasks. So there are 3 indoor tasks, that is group discussion, group planning and lecture it. And there are 6 outdoor tasks, progressive group task, half group task, final group task, command task, individual obstacles and group obstacle race. So group obstacle race nowadays is not being conducted. So remaining 8 tasks are there. Out of this 3 are indoor and 5 are outdoor. Now all outdoor tasks, there is only one simple way of doing it. You have to move forward by two methods. One is the simple bridge and the other is the cantilever. So you will get some helping material. Normally one plank, one bully and one rope is given as the helping material. And all the helping material will be used. So with the help and assistance of this, by using this helping material, you have to move forward. Now there is a start line, there is a finish line. Before start line you can stand on the ground, your helping material is also kept there. Now between the start line and finish line you cannot touch the ground, neither you nor your helping material. Then the structures, some portion will be painted white, some will be blue and some will be red. White portion you can also touch, the helping material also can touch. Blue portion you can touch, you can stand, but your helping material cannot touch. And the red portion neither you can touch nor the helping material. Rule is simple. By using the helping material, you have to move forward. In PGT, 4 obstacles will be there. HGT maybe 1 or 2. Final group task will be 1. Command task may be linear, maybe 2 or 3 obstacles, and if it is circular, it will be 1. Either from outside you have to enter inside or from inside you have to come outside. Very simple. Now the helping material is given to you, you have to make use of that. And let me tell you, each and every helping material will be used. Now, two helping materials, one is plank and one is the bully. With the help of this, we will form the bridge. Now, what for the third helping material is given? That I will tell you. So, why two long materials about 5-6 feet long? Why two are given? One is plank and one is bully. Because simultaneously we will be required to make two bridges at the same time. Why? When you are starting you are standing before the starting line, you all of 8 candidates are there usually in the group. All of you 8 candidates will be standing there. Now you will form a bridge to move to the first structure, that is the first obstacle. This first structure will be narrow. All 8 cannot come. Maybe 4, maybe 3, maybe 5. Normally around 3 or 4 will come. So now you will require 4 will be left there only before the start line. 4 have come on structure 1. The rule is that all of you, along with your helping material, you have to cross all the obstacles and cross the finish line. Now 4 are standing on the first obstacle, 4 are standing on before the start line. So you will need another bridge. So those who are standing on the first obstacle, first structure, they will ask for bully from the people who are behind the start line. They will take this bully, form the next bridge, move forward there on the second obstacle, and then these people who are standing before the start line, they will move and come on structure 1. Now when 4 have moved ahead on structure 2, 4 are they are standing on structure 1. So the bridge, first bridge that you have formed, you have to take that plank and pass it on further. So that again another bridge is formed, and those 4 people who are standing on structure 2 move to structure 3 and then to structure 4. So like this only 2 bridges simultaneously will be required. That's why 2 long materials, that is plank and balli, is given to you to form the bridge. Now they are long about 5-6 feet in length, and you find the structures. In the beginning you will find that this structure is, distance of this structure is less than the length of the plank or the balli. You can support the structure, the plank or the balli on this structure and easily form a bridge. Now the difficulty level will increase as you move to obstacle 2, 3 and 4 will be most difficult. Now remember, I told you each and every helping material that has been given to you will be used. You have not used the rope till now. You have to carry the rope with you. So what will be the use of the rope? Now I will tell you there are only 2 ways to move ahead. I have told you one. One is the simple bridge and the second one is the cantilever. Now what is the difference between a simple bridge and a cantilever? Simple bridge will have 2 supports at the bottom. Support will always be at the bottom. From behind, from underneath, you will get a support. Like you are standing on the ground, your legs have the support of the ground. You are standing on a table, your legs have the support of the table. So support will be from beneath. And your plank or balli will be over the support, kept over the support. Very simple. You get 2 supports and you make a simple bridge. One end of the plank or balli on one support and the other end on the other support. Now you can form a simple bridge till the time when 2 supports are available to you on which you can rest the plank or balli. Now sometimes it may happen that there is only one support available or the other support is at a distance more than the length of the plank or balli. So now you cannot make a simple bridge because 2 supports are not available. What will you do? Now you will form a cantilever. Cantilever, one end is fixed and the other is free. For cantilever, you require one support and one stopper. From beneath, underneath, the plank or the balli will be having some support. Now to stop the plank from running away, from the top you require a stopper. So support from underneath and stopper from top. In between these 2 things, the plank will be fixed and it will become immovable from one end. Other end will be free. You can understand like a branch of the tree. One end is fixed to the trunk of the tree and the branch is, one end is loose. You can hang on that branch, you can walk on that branch. Simple example of cantilever. The branch is permanently fixed, but here you have to fix one end. For fixing you require support and a stopper. You see in the image that I am showing you. So this way cantilever will be formed. So there are only two ways. If two supports are available, simple bridge. If only one support is available, look for the stopper. You will find it and make a cantilever. Now when you reach to obstacle 3 and obstacle 4, it will not be that easy. You have to form the cantilever. Most likely you will be required to form a cantilever. But how? Either the stopper will be missing or the support will be missing. Now remember the rope. I told you each and every helping material will be used. Plank and bully are there. Now with the help of this rope, you will improvise. Improvise means jugaad. You will improvise the support or the stopper, whatever is missing. Because without these two things, you cannot form a cantilever. So you have to improvise. So for improvisation, you have to look at the structure and then see how it can be improvised. That idea you will get there only. Focus on the white portion of the structures. So here slight difficulty will be there, and whosoever is giving the solution here goes higher in the list of the GTO on structure 3 and structure 4. Structure 1 will be simple bridge, 100% it will be simple bridge. 100% means almost in all the cases. Not 100%, but yes, most of the cases it will be simple bridge. Second obstacle may be either simple bridge or a cantilever. You will find the stopper and support both. Two obstacles you have crossed. Third one, most likely it will be cantilever only. And either the stopper may be missing or a support. One thing may be missing. Fourth will be that stopper and support both may be missing. So you have to improvise both stopper and support. Now these are the standard materials which you get. Sometimes additional material may also be given, maybe a small log of wood, chota tukda balli ka, patli balli ka, or maybe a triangle you are given, whatever is given. So when you match this third helping material, plank and bully also you observe carefully whether they are even or one end is narrow or one end is thick or whatever is the peculiarity, you must examine carefully. And then the third material or if fourth helping material is given, that you have to very carefully examine and look at the structures, the white portion, and see what is missing. Stopper is missing or support is missing. You can see all. It's not that much distance is not there. You can see from the start line. All the structures you can see from the front side. But you have to see the structures from 360 degrees. 360 degrees means top, bottom, left side, right side, the side towards you and the side which is far away from you. So all six sides, 5 sides you can see standing at the starting line, but the 6th side, the end which is far away from you, you cannot see it from here. When you reach that obstacle, that structure, first, second or third, look back, then only you will be able to see that end of the structure. So maybe some stopper or support is available there for making a cantilever. So 360 degrees you have to examine your helping material, the additional helping material, particularly the additional helping material. And then you go ahead, make your plan that how you will form the bridge or cantilever and move ahead. Now it will be slightly better if you are able to move ahead. It will help you a lot. You should be the first one to move ahead on the bridge. But you see, group tasks are all about your attitude. You should not appear a group splitter or a selfish person. You should be helping others. But for helping others, if you move first and reach the first obstacle and then reach the second and third obstacle, the advantage you will get is that you will be able to give solutions to the problems which are there, how to make a cantilever or simple bridge in structure 3 and 4, which may be slightly difficult for those who are standing before the start line. So you will get an advantage, but then not out of selfishness, for the purpose of helping others. So this way is very simple, and I am assuring you, when you go to the SSB for GTO task, a person with normal level of intelligence will also be able to make out how to make that simple bridge or cantilever by using that helping material. So do not be worried. Do not be so much have fear that if I have not done the GTO outdoor tasks, how will I succeed? You will succeed. As I told you, brain power is more important than muscle power. So have adequate muscle power, use it, but more of brain power, more of intelligence. It's a problem solving attitude. Problem solving, either you do on paper or you do in your SRTs or whatever it is. And here you do on the ground with the help of the material. So be calm, be cool headed, and as I told you, mind your attitude. Your attitude should be that of helping others. Out of the way, go and help others. Any glimpse of selfishness, if you show, and you may be a very intelligent person, but your name will not be there, most likely in the recommended candidate, because GTO will observe your selfishness. So this is physically on the ground, they are seeing your dynamics in the group and how much helpful you are for the group and how much the group likes you and accepts you as a leader. So do well in your GTOs. And yes, you can watch some videos if you want to know which videos you should watch, because many candidates, they get confused. We have seen so many videos, someone is telling something or someone other person is telling something else. We are confused which video we should watch. So you send me a message on my WhatsApp giving your name. I will send you the link of the videos, only those videos which are required to be watched. And I think after watching those videos and listening to this session of mine, there will be no requirement left for going to the GTO ground or for finding a ground where you can practice GTO by paying hefty fees and spending your time and money. Thank you so much for watching, and please do send me the message in case you want me to tell you which videos you should watch. Thank you.